Hey everyone, are your iMessages not showing up on your Mac, even though they work perfectly on your iPhone? Don't worry. This is one of the most common Apple Sync issues, and today, I'll show you how to fix iMessage syncing between your Mac and iPhone, step by step, actually using only built-in Apple tools. First, let's check the Apple ID on both devices. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap your Apple ID name at the top. Make sure the Apple ID shown here is the same one you want to use on your Mac. If your iPhone shows a different Apple ID, you'll need to sign out and sign back in with the correct one. Now on your Mac, open the Messages app. Click Messages in the menu bar, then go to Settings or Preferences, and open the iMessage tab. Make sure the Apple ID here is exactly the same as the one on your iPhone. Mismatched Apple IDs are the #1 reason messages don't sync. Next, let's make sure iMessage and text message forwarding are enabled. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap Messages, and make sure iMessage is turned on. If it's off, your messages won't sync at all. While you're there, tap Text Message Forwarding. Find your Mac in the list and toggle it on. This ensures that SMS messages and iMessages can also appear on your Mac. Now, check the Send and Receive settings. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Messages, then Send and Receive. Make sure your phone number and your Apple ID email are checked under You can receive iMessages at. On your Mac, open Messages, go to Preferences, open the iMessage tab, and under You can be reached for messages at, make sure the same phone number and email addresses are checked. Only matching send and receive addresses will sync properly. If things still aren't syncing, the next step is to sign out and sign back in. On your Mac, open Messages, go to Preferences, open the iMessage tab, and click Sign Out. Confirm by clicking Sign Out again. Then click Sign In, enter the same Apple ID you use on your iPhone, and wait for the account to sync. This refreshes the connection and fixes most syncing issues. If your Mac still doesn't sync after that, you can also sign out of iMessage on your iPhone. Go to Settings, Messages, Send and Receive, tap your Apple ID, and choose Sign Out. Then sign back in with the correct Apple ID. This often resolves more stubborn syncing problems. Next, let's check your network and date and time settings. Make sure both your Mac and your iPhone are connected to the internet. Wi-Fi or a wired connection must be active because iMessage needs a live internet connection to sync. Also, check the date and time. On your Mac, open System Settings, go to Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is enabled. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and turn on Set Automatically. An incorrect date or time can completely break iMessage syncing. If you're still having issues, try restarting both devices. Restart your iPhone by powering it off and turning it back on. Then restart your Mac from the Apple menu. A simple restart often fixes lingering sync problems. Before we wrap up, here are a few best practices to keep things running smoothly. Always keep the same Apple ID across all your devices. Enable iCloud for messages for more seamless syncing. Avoid using multiple Apple IDs for iMessage if possible. And from time to time, check for macOS or iOS updates for the best performance. So that's it. Now you know how to fix iMessage not syncing between your Mac and iPhone using native Apple features. Remember to check your Apple ID, enable forwarding, match your send and receive settings, sign out and back in if needed, and make sure your network and date and time are set correctly. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more Mac and iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.